Mama.
Yeah.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yes.
Mama.
What?
Mama.
Bear, can you sing your ABCs again? Sing your ABC. What's C for? C for?
Cat.
What about M for?
Mama.
D for?
Daddy.
S for?
Daddy.
S.
Dada.
S for? Stella. Good. What about B? Do you remember B?
B.
B for? Where are you gonna lay down?
Monkey.
Lay down, monkey.
Mama. Mama.
Do I lay down here? Okay. Can I do?
Book.
Oh, sorry. Here, how about this book?
Abba.
Oh, you want the big book?
Big.
Okay.
Abba.
Do you like this book, Bunny?
Abba.
What?
Abba.
You said that you wanted this book.
Abba.
Bunny's gonna read that book.
Monkey.
Go get one for Monkey. Oh, there's one, the Ladybug book. Look, Monkey can read that one. Everybody has to have a book. Good. That's nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Sarah. Leah needs a book.